The Adamson Soaring Falcons puts a stop on the 3-game winning streak ng UST Growling Tigers. You know what time it is? Hands in. For a team that is averaging 100.3 points a game, yung depensa ng Adamson kind of exposed UST's offense. They were only limited to 59 points. Halos kalahati ng usual na output nila. Kung sisilipin natin ang numbers, Nick Cabañero scored 23. That's normal. Colin Sacoe had 10 points and 16 rebounds. I would say that's normal too. Pero yung field goal percentage niya is just 3 from 11. Padrigao was 0 for 6 from 3 points. Crisostomo only had 3 at na-score niya pa yung 3 during the last minute ng kanilang laro. So Adamson really did such an amazing job on defense. Mas lalo nating nakita yon with a combination of Sed Manzano and Oja Ricre. And for Colin Sacoe, yung karamihan sa mga FSAs kaya niya na mausog, kung ano man yung kailangan gawin. Pero yung dalawa na nakalaban nila lately na si Mo Konate from FEU and Oja Ricre from Adamson, that's where he usually has a hard time trying to get his footing against defensive FSAs. And they were able to pull away in the second quarter all the way to the fourth because of how dominating they were pagdating sa mga offensive rebounds. It created so many chances para sa Adamson. Kasi ang ganda na ginagawa ni Coach Nash eh. Ilalabas niya si Sed Manzano pero iiwan niya si Oja Ricre. Tapos pagpapalitan niya lang hanggang dulo. So Coach Pido was forced to play Colin Sacoe for the majority of the second half kasi nung nawala siya nung second quarter, sobrang lugi nila sa rebounds. But it was already too late kasi nakapag-build na ng comfortable lead ang kupunan ng Adamson. May tira naman talaga yung Adamson eh.